Hello friends, my name is Vaishali and on behalf of Creative Edge team, I welcome you all. Creative Edge, India's leading design preparation hub, where you prepare for various design entrance exam and architecture entrance exam. Today, we'll be discussing about the major topics that will definitely help you in coming design exams, the golden tricks. So here we go. If dates are up, don't panic. Be calm and be positive. Go through various last year's sample papers, question papers. Work on tricks, time management, work on speed. Give equal importance to both creative ability and general ability part. Keep updating yourself with daily current affairs. Go through newspapers, go through blogs. Think out of the box. Don't be a repeater. I hope the sequence will definitely help you in your exams. If you have any queries regarding any preparation, you can directly connect with the team Creative Edge. Below is the number on the screen. Hope to see you soon. Good luck. Thank you.